Have you ever wondered how web hosting companies actually start? Most people think you need expensive servers, a data center, or a huge investment. But that's not true. Today, I'll show you how you can launch your own web hosting company using Reseller Hosting, even if you're a complete beginner. Every website you visit, whether it's a blog, online store, or business website, needs a server to store its files and keep it online 24/7. Normally, buying and maintaining servers requires a large investment and technical expertise. That's where Reseller Hosting makes everything much easier. Reseller Hosting lets you rent hosting resources from a larger hosting provider. Instead of managing expensive hardware, you simply divide those resources into your own hosting plans. You decide the pricing, create your own packages, and sell them under your own brand. Your customers only see your business, not the company powering the servers behind the scenes. Here's how the process works. Your hosting provider gives you access to a control panel called WHM. Inside WHM, you create hosting packages based on storage, bandwidth, and features. When a customer places an order, you simply create a hosting account. Your customer then receives access to cPanel, where they can manage their website, email accounts, databases, and files. Meanwhile, your hosting provider handles all the server maintenance, security, hardware, and network infrastructure. You focus on growing your business and supporting your customers. One of the biggest advantages of reseller hosting is its low startup cost. You don't need to buy servers or hire system administrators. Everything runs under your own brand, making your business look professional from day one. Since hosting is a subscription-based service, every customer can generate recurring monthly or yearly income. As your customer base grows, you can easily upgrade your reseller plan or move to a VPS or dedicated server without rebuilding your business. Reseller hosting isn't just for hosting companies. If you're a freelancer, web designer, developer, agency owner, blogger, student, or entrepreneur, it can become an additional source of income. You can even bundle hosting with your web design or maintenance services and offer a complete solution to your clients. To get started, you'll need a domain name for your business, a professional website, and a reseller hosting plan. You'll also use WHM to manage hosting accounts, billing software to automate invoices and account creation, a payment gateway to accept online payments, and a reliable support system to assist your customers. There are many misconceptions about starting a hosting business. You don't need your own servers. You don't need advanced Linux knowledge. You don't need a data center. And you certainly don't need millions to get started. Reseller hosting removes these barriers, making it one of the easiest ways to enter the web hosting industry. As your business grows and you gain more customers, you can gradually upgrade from reseller hosting to a VPS, dedicated server, or even your own cloud infrastructure. The important part is starting small, learning the business, and scaling when the time is right. Reseller hosting is one of the simplest and most affordable ways to build your own web hosting company. It lets you focus on your customers and your brand, while the hosting provider takes care of the technical infrastructure. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly web hosting tutorials. If you have any questions about reseller hosting, leave them in the comments. We'd be happy to help. If you'd like to purchase reseller hosting or simply explore our hosting plans, visit Hostingtom.com. You'll find reseller hosting plans, VPS, dedicated servers, and much more to help you start and grow your hosting business.